Hey guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the classic rain duck boot from Chooka. This stylish duck boot is made with a natural rubber upper. It's really soft to the touch. I love the antique nickel hardware with the fun printed laces. Got a leather rear pull tab for easy on and off. The handmade waterproof vulcanized construction is gonna keep your feet nice and dry. Got Ultra HC rubber, high content formula for flex, durability, and comfort. Inside, oh my goodness, I love that it's a luxurious fleece lining. It's gonna be nice and cozy. You got a soft touch 5mm removable memory foam insole. Lots of cushion and comfort there. Again, flexibility with every step. It's all gonna be on top of a traction rubber outsole. It's got self-cleaning tread pattern. Brighten up anybody's day when they see you wearing these boots from Chooka.